Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to do a quick review of this wooden picture frame I recently picked up for a certificate of completion I did for a SAS course. So this picture frame, it is wooden. It does come with a glass frame here inside the frame. And then you guys can see it is real wood here. And then it comes with this black, this backing with the picture hanging hooks here that are permanently mounted to the backing here. The wood came really nice. It's definitely, you know, for what you are looking for, this is probably going to be something that's just really classic. It's got a little beveled edge here on the inside here, and you guys can see the paint, the stain that they use on here does give you a little bit of shine, which is really nice too. But overall, I'm really happy with this 8.5 by 11 picture frame that I picked up, and I think you guys will be too. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching another SMARTIPS product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.